Secretary of the State, Sri Somesh Kumar Garu, the Director General of Police, Sri Mahendra Reddy Garu, Board of Directors, Unicorns and Sunicons, guests, friends, media, ladies and gentlemen. It's really a proud moment for me to inaugurate the new building of T-Hub. The journey of T-Hub started as an idea 8 years ago. When Telangana became the youngest state of India, at the time we took a conscious decision that our state would consistently encourage innovation, entrepreneurship in a big way. We launched T-Hub in 2015 as a commitment to the decision. Today, 7 years later, we are here to start our second phase of expansion to build a resilient startup ecosystem in India. We are a few weeks away from celebrating the 75th anniversary of our country's independence, a major milestone of our history. At this juncture, it is very important for us to provide a clear vision and roadmap for our country about its future, especially to our youth. Young India is an aspirational India. It wants to be challenged and seeks to compete globally. Our government recognized this aspirational idea India early on and wanted to put young India on the global map. We wanted to build an India known equally for its entrepreneurial and technological capabilities. Today I can proudly say we have created a world-class entity at T-Hub to promote entrepreneurship and innovation. Our state startup policy is progressive. It has helped forge fruitful partnerships with both corporates and academia. This is something very uniquely wonderful about our state. Every stakeholder, be it from academia or research and development institutions or corporate, have wholeheartedly come forward to synergize its activities to support innovation and entrepreneurship. We truly embody the whole of the state approach. Everyone works together and support each other. Around the fulcrum of T-Hub, we promoted sister institutions to support different requirements of an entrepreneur. Today, all of these institutions also, namely V-Hub, T-Works, TSIC, RICH, and TASK have become champions in their own right. T-Hub was founded to bring the best talent from across the country to nurture a startup ecosystem. T-Hub has now become a national role model. It has impacted over 2,000 entrepreneurs and seen $1.19 billion raised in funding by T-Hub startups. It has facilitated connections with venture capitals and angel investors, establishing a brand name synonymous with innovation. The phase 1 of T-Hub showed us that there is a huge appetite for entrepreneurship among the youth in India. We felt that we must capitalize on this appetite, that we must provide them with best support from the startup stakeholders and give them a space for high quality incubation and acceleration. 3 years ago, our government decided to invest in the second phase of T-Hub. This new facility is 5 times bigger. Our aim to incubate the next generation of startups that would one day be strong pillars for our Indian economy. We hope that through T-Hub, these startups can strengthen their entrepreneurial spirit and bring global recognition to our state and country with their accomplishments. We want Telangana to be known as the startup state of India. Our state startup ecosystem is valued as among the top 10 global systems in affordable talent. It is among the top 15 startup ecosystems across Asia in attracting funds. In 2021, the startup ecosystem of Telangana was valued at $4.8 billion. Among cities in India, Hyderabad offers the best standard of living, and we want Hyderabad to be known as the startup capital of India. Our startups are providing valuable collaboration to the main sector of our economy, namely IT, life sciences, aerospace, and defense, automotive, including electric vehicles. Many of our startups have created products and solutions relevant for social sector like education, health, agriculture, sanitation, and environment. All this has been made possible due to the very progressive policies in our state like TS IPAS, TS BPAS, and Telangana's Startup and Innovation Policy. We have made doing business easier for the startups, ensure that they receive mentorship support, get connected with knowledge institutions and corporates as per their requirements, receive funding support, and most importantly, receive automatic job orders from government departments if their product or solution is of relevance to us. Today, we are dedicating our T-Hub 2 facility to young Indians across the country. If they propose to build an innovative startup, we at T-Hub will provide them with a collaborative innovation ecosystem. The next journey of T-Hub starts here in Hyderabad today. And I am glad so many of you joined us here at this event. The presence of so many successful startup founders in today's function is their very positive sign that the efforts of that we are making in Telangana is getting recognized at wider canvas. I am hopeful that you will come back to collaborate and work with us. The day is not far away when the next big breakthrough in startup innovation will come from Hyderabad. In the end, I would like to convey my appreciation for the IT Minister, Mr. K.T. Ramarao, and my team of officials who strived earnestly to create this unique model of innovation and entrepreneurship in our state. Before I conclude, I suggest Mr. Ramarao and the Chief Secretary and Mr. J.S. Ranjan, the other officials who are all here, to create infrastructure on par with the growth of IT of Hyderabad so that there is no mess in future years to go. And I also request Mr. B.V. Mohan Reddy, who was requesting me to improve the talent, improve the quality in education system. I would request you to please give me a note so that we discuss in the cabinet and take all necessary steps. I am really very happy that Hyderabad is today seen as a wonderful city which is spotted on the globe, not in the country. I am very happy, and I promise all of you of this field that whatever support required from the government of Telangana will wholeheartedly, fully support you. Thank you one and all. All the best to all of you.
మీరు చూస్తున్నారు ఐ డ్రీమ్ న్యూస్ ని.
Please subscribe
ఐ డ్రీమ్స్
For more videos,
subscribe
I Dream.
please subscribe
For more videos,
I dream. I dream.
for more videos.
Subscribe, I dream. Please subscribe.
సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ఐ డ్రీమ్ ఛానల్
Do subscribe.
I dream.
ఐ డ్రీమ్ ఛానల్ని
సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.
Do watch I Dream.